This is Pavitra. Today's topic is piezoelectrics. Let us first know about the history of piezoelectrics. The name physio originates from the Greek word physin, which means the squeeze or press, that is nothing but compress. This word physin is originated from the Greek word which means the squeeze or press, or it may be compress. Okay, the piezoelectric effect was first proven in 1880. This effect was first proven in 1880 by the two brothers Pierre and Jacques Curie. These are the two brothers which they first proved in 1880 about the piezoelectric effect. Let us come to the definition of piezoelectricity. The process by which a dielectric material acquires electric polarization due to an external mechanical pressure. If we apply an external mechanical pressure, the material get electrically polarized. That type of materials is called as a piezoelectric materials, and the process is called as a piezoelectricity. Here we have to differentiate between the ferroelectronics, pyroelectronics and piezoelectronics. Then in case of ferroelectronics, there is no need of external field. They get polarized at a fraction of second only. Stimulated polarization takes place. In case of pyroelectronics, we have to increase the temperature, that is T should be greater than that of a Curie temperature. This is called as pyroelectronics. Here in case of piezoelectronics, the process of applying a mechanical pressure, we are generating the electric polarization. This is called as piezoelectricity. Okay, this property piezoelectric effect as an inverse. This is an inverse effect according to inverse piezoelectric effect. When an electric voltage is applied to a material becomes strain. The strain is directly proportional to that of an applied electric field. It can be a directly or indirectly. In the next slides we will discuss that one, how the direct and indirect piezoelectric effect takes place. Here this strain is directly proportional to applied field. If we applied a greater field, the strain increases, or maybe a field is smaller, the strain also decreases. It is directly proportional to that of an electric field. See, here in this case, what do you mean by piezoelectric materials? The piezoelectric material is one that possesses a property of converting mechanical energy into electrical energy, or vice versa. In this figure, we are applying the voltage, that we are applying a mechanical stress. If we apply a mechanical energy, it is converted into electrical energy, or maybe a vice versa. In the reverse case, if we supply an energy, it can be doing a mechanical work. This is called as, for this type we are using the materials called as, this is called as piezoelectric materials. Okay, it can be divided into two main groups, that is crystals and ceramics. The materials can be divided into crystals and ceramics as a two main groups. Direct piezoelectric effect. See, piezoelectric materials which generate an electric potential when subjected to some kind of mechanical stress. If we apply a mechanical stress, then the electrical potential will be generated. This is called as direct piezoelectric effect. The direct effect, for example, where we are using the direct effect means strain sensors, we are using direct effect. In the microphones, gas lighters, because in gas lighters we are applying a pressure, there will be generating an electric potential, then it light up. Then ultrasonic detectors, for these cases we are using that direct effect. See, here we have two diagrams. By compression and also by tension, we are generating a polar piezoelectric, that is in case of direct piezoelectric. Okay, here see, compression is taking place, affect decrease in the volume. Compression is nothing but decrease in the volume, and it has a voltage with the same polarity as the material. Compared to the voltage, it has the same polarity with that of a material. Next, tension. In case of tension, increase effect. What is the effect takes place means increases in the volume, and it has a voltage with the opposite polarity of the materials. In the reverse case, if the tension appears, the polarity of the voltages changes. This is in case of direct piezoelectric effect. Next, inverse piezoelectric effect. If the piezoelectric materials is exposed to an electric field, that is voltage, it consequently lengthens or shortens proportional to the voltage. For example, crystal oscillators, crystal speakers, next record player pickups, next accelerators, etc. For these cases, we are using the inverse piezoelectric effect. In the reverse case, that is, if this material is exposed to electric field, if we apply an voltage, then it compress or maybe relax appears. If the applied voltage is same in polarity, then the material expands. If the applied voltage is opposite in polarity, then the material contrasts. This is about inverse piezoelectric. Here we are seeing the diagram that related to ferroelectronics, pyroelectronics, piezoelectronics. This ferroelectronic is nothing but the materials which can be polarized even in the absence of an electric field. Pyroelectronics is nothing but when we applied a temperature, greater temperature, then this changes, the electricity changes, it gets polarized, that is called as pyroelectronics. Then here piezoelectronic is nothing but when we applied a mechanical stress, it would be changes, that is, it gets polarized. See, all ferroelectronic materials are piezoelectric. See, all ferroelectronic materials are piezoelectronics, because ferroelectronics in the piezoelectronic subset, but all piezoelectric materials are not the ferroelectronic materials. This, the ferroelectronics are spontaneously polarized within a fraction of a second, it can be polarized, but are also piezoelectronics in that their polarization changes under the influence of stress. It requires a stress, that is, it requires a mechanical stress is required for changing the polarization. This is because while all ferroelectronics are piezoelectronics, not all piezoelectronics are ferroelectronics. We have to remember this diagram relating to one. Next, let us move on to the properties of the piezoelectronics. First one, they exhibit non-centrosymmetric symmetry. The symmetry is non-centrosymmetric. They belong to non-polar dielectric group. They belonging to non-polar dielectric group. Piezoelectric effect is due to a creation of electric charge by applied stress, that is P is with respect to change in that of a stress applied due to that of an applied charge. When D is piezoelectric coefficient and sigma is mechanical stress. Here we are saying that D is piezoelectric coefficient and sigma is stress. The product of this coefficient, that is piezoelectric coefficient and mechanical stress, leads to that of a piezoelectric creation. Okay, in the absence of an external stress, all the changes in the unit cell is balanced and the net polarization is zero. See, in the absence of external stress, the net polarization of these materials get to be zero. Applications: they are used in where the applications or the fields they are used means production of ultrasonic waves. These piezoelectrics are used in case of transducers. We are using this one. If you want to get the what do you mean by transducers, get on to my channel. I have separately mentioned uploaded a video about transducers. Okay. Next, frequency stabilizers in crystal controlled oscillators. Next, microphones, sonar devices. In case of sonar, sound navigation devices, these are used in delay lines and communication devices. These pyroelectronics, because by applying a stress they are getting polarized, they are getting polarized. So for this we are having such varieties of applications were there. Thank you for watching this video.